Hello everybody, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, and what I love to do is answer questions for people. Sometimes I do it by typing, other times I do it by a video. If the question's more involved and the answer's more involved, I try to do a video. And so I'm sharing something with you here. A gentleman, VIP member, had asked, the positions that you took in MU and NTNX, how many shares did you buy, and how do you handle that? And this is a great question. And I have to clarify something with you. It's very important. All of us need to take a look at your size account and determine the proper percentages to put in each stock. By the way, I want to share this with you. Hear that noise? Hear that? I just have true confession. I live in a submarine, okay? I live in a submarine. That's sonar. I'm just kidding. Those are limit alerts. I had to do it. I'm sorry. Price alerts. Price alerts. Okay, so just to clarify. Here's how you do it. And this is straight from CanSlim level 3 and 4. You need to take a look at your account. Take that account and divide it in either 4 or 5 stocks. Divide it by 5, divide it by 4, depending on the number of stocks that you want to own. And if you're like, well, I'd like to have 10 stocks, then divide it by 10. Find the number that fits you. CanSlim talks about 4 to 5 positions. 100. Here's the example they give, and this is straight from CanSlim level 3 and 4 I've been to. Take your account, divide by 5. What does that mean? You're going to have 20% in each stock. Let's suppose you've got I'll make it simple. Let's suppose you've got a $25,000 account. We're going to do simple math. You've got a $25,000 account, and you're going to take it, and you're going to divide by 5. So what does that mean? You're going to put $5,000 in each stock. Your first buy, you spend 1/2 of $5,000, 50%. So your first purchase when a stock breaks out, you buy $2,500 worth. $2,500 worth. If the stock goes up 2 to 2.5%, you add another roughly 30%. So you bought $2,500 worth, all right? And then here, I'm going to get my calculator out here so we do this right, folks. $5,000 times, we'll just do 30%, okay? I want to make sure I get it right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Is $1,500. So your first purchase is $2,500. Your second purchase is $1,500. And then if the stock goes up another 2 and 2.5%, you add your last part, which would be 15 to 20%. In this case, we're going to do 20%. So what would it be? $1,000. 20% of $5,000 is $1,000. So what do you have in there total? You've got $5,000 in there. The first purchase, you put in half. The second purchase, you put in 30%. The third purchase, you put in 20%. So what are the numbers? 50% first purchase, 30% second purchase, 20% third purchase. That's proper pyramiding, and that's how you do it. Now, also, always, and this is the last point, and again, this is a great question, always limit losses. Always. And finally, I think it's very important for all folks, focus on the super clean bases that are easy to see. And you can say, well, Patrick, give me an example here. I'm going to show you. NTNX, right here. That's simple. Look at that long base. See this long base? Look at the volume surge. Focus on something like that, okay? Simple. SQ right here. Longer base. Entry with volume. Simple. Key on those and you will dramatically improve your results. Micron right here. Entry. Simple. Walking up. Longer base. Clean entry. Volume surge. So now we've got a couple things answered. We focus on longer bases. Clean and simple bases. Companies that have great earnings in our sales and a great group, and we know proper pyramiding. Take the account, your first purchase, take your account, divide by 5 if you're going to buy 5 stocks. First purchase, 50%. Second purchase, 30%. Third purchase, 20% as it's going up in price. And I hope that helps Ramesh and everybody else. I thank you for asking. And folks, I encourage you, ask questions. That's why I'm here. Let's get them out there and tear it apart. This is very important. And I love doing this. And I thank you.